this right here is the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete, and it is a $1,700 robot vacuum. So in today's video, I'm gonna put it through different obstacles and tests. That way I can showcase all the cool features that this vacuum can do that I've never seen any other robot vacuum on the market be able to complete. If you happen to be new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and a big shout out to Dreame for being today's video sponsor. So when we look at the top of the vacuum, you'll notice right away there's an illuminated ring, and this is actually a recessed LiDAR sensor. And when your vacuum is in use, it'll basically pop up and be the brain for mapping your entire home. The way it works is it scans the entire room in 360 degrees, so the robot can build a super accurate floor map and navigate efficiently. But the cool part is, say you have a low piece of furniture like a coffee table, for example, the LiDAR sensor can actually recess back down into the body, making the overall thickness of the vacuum 3.12 inches thick, enabling the vacuum to actually be able to easily glide underneath furniture and clean up the entire mess. And when we turn the vacuum around up front, you'll notice that it has a multi-camera and sensor system called the AI Obstacle Detection System, which utilizes cameras and sensors to recognize things like cables, shoes, or pet toys so it can avoid them instead of just bulldozing straight through. And if for whatever reason the cameras and sensors don't work, it also comes equipped with a soft collision bumper, which is great because instead of just bulldozing into something, it can simply softly tap and detect that something is in its way so it knows not to continue. And then when we take a look at the bottom of the vacuum, you're gonna notice right out the gate it has dual spinning brushes right here in the middle. Down bottom you have the dual spinning mop heads so that it can also not only vacuum but mop your entire house as well, which is really nice. I also like this little side brush. This actually kicks out, and this is what's utilized to actually knock dirt and crumbs out of corners. So say we're rolling along like the baseboards, you know how it's usually squared off? Well, this is round. So when you get into that area, the side brush actually kicks out of the vacuum and it knocks dirt back in front so that it can vacuum it up. Super useful feature. And then these tank track like wheels here, these actually kick out and they allow the robot vacuum to lift up and over different surfaces like small steps, which we're gonna do a demo of. And now let's take a look at the dock, because when paired with the robot, it turns it into a full-on automated cleaning system. First up is our auto empty system, which sucks dust out of the robot and stores it inside the dock so you don't have to empty the vacuum every day. And then as you already saw up top, you have two different water tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water, which lets the robot wash its mop pads during cleaning. Down here is the mop washing tray, where the robot scrubs and rinses the mop pads so they stay clean instead of spreading dirty water around your floor. And after that, the dock actually dries the mop pads with warm air, which helps prevent odors and bacteria buildup. So once this thing finishes cleaning, it comes back here, empties itself, washes the mops, dries them, and charges for the next run. Which means that this robot vacuum is capable of cleaning your entire floor for weeks on end with zero maintenance from you. So next up, let's go ahead and test out the cleaning performance on the X60 Max Ultra Complete. So what I did is I set up a couple different test areas throughout the home. I'm gonna just set the robot vacuum to clean, follow it around, and we'll just see what it does with the mess. So for the first test, you can see our vacuum is going up to a pretty realistic mess, some crumbs, dust, and general debris on the hardwood floor. But of course, it's no surprise at all that a $1,700 robot vacuum can clean up this mess with ease in just a few passes. So for test number 2, we are going to make things a little more difficult. And that's because one area robot vacuums traditionally struggle with is corners and edges. So for test number 2, I kicked a lot of dirt and dust and debris underneath my cabinets all the way shoved into the corner. This way we can test how well this vacuum does on deep and edge clean. And when we're talking about going through the kitchen like this, I want to be able to see that side brush kick out, sweep out any of the debris in the corner, feed it back into the main brush and roller, and it does a surprisingly good job getting right up against the baseboards and getting all that debris out of there. But again, at $1,700, I'm not as impressed as I normally would. So for test number 3, let's go ahead and kick it up a notch, get off of the hardwood, and send the vacuum onto my carpet. So the thing is, this vacuum has up to 35,000 pascals of suction power, which is honestly insane coming from a robot vacuum, because that makes this one of the most powerful robot vacuums in the entire world. And for reference, most robot vacuums sit around 20,000 PA, so this thing is 75% stronger than most other flagship vacuums. And when it detects carpet, the robot automatically boosts suction power to pull debris out of the fibers. And unsurprisingly, the vacuum does great on the carpet as well, so let's go ahead and test out the mopping performance. Now remember those dual spinning mops from earlier? Well, that's where these these come into play, because instead of just dragging a wet cloth across the floor, these dual spinning mop pads actually scrub the surface. And they're not just gliding and spinning either, they're actually applying an impressive amount of downward force while they do it. And this makes a big difference when dealing with dried spots or sticky messes, because instead of just swirling around, they're actually deep scrubbing your floor. But let's be real, we all knew a $1,700 robot vacuum would be great at cleaning, so let's test out some of the smart features and how this vacuum actually separates itself from the competition. First up, let's look at the LiDAR mapping and obstacle detection while it moves around my furniture pretty intelligently without getting stuck. And I had to get the box out to show you this next part, because if you see on the box right here, it's showing how it has obstacle avoidance and detection, and it's actually detecting something as small as an AirPod, so you better believe if they're advertising that, we are going to try it.
So first up, I tested the vacuum against a single AirPod and it kinda ran it over, but it didn't suck it up thankfully. So I picked it up and then I dropped down both AirPods with the case, and this time the vacuum was not only able to detect it, but also easily navigate and clean around it without ever touching them once. And I gotta say, I'm super impressed with this result.
But definitely my favorite feature that the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete can do is actually climb steps, or maybe obstacles, because it's not like a full step height that it can climb. It can get up and over about 1.77 inches. So I'll demonstrate this with like a really thick wooden cutting board, but if there's a little step up or a piece of furniture, this vacuum can actually step up and onto, traverse, and clean it, which is really awesome. Another really awesome feature for smart home users is the fact that this vacuum is Matter compatible, so taking it a step further than just utilizing the Dreame app, you can actually fully integrate it in with your current smart home system, and that takes this way above other flagship vacuums in my opinion. Now, as a long-term Dreame X50 Ultra user, I will say that this vacuum doesn't just blow my socks off with new features, but what it does is it brings in a lot of refinement, and I feel like it's got more suction power, it's got increased object detection and object avoidance. I feel like a lot of the features just got so much better this year, so I'd way rather have the X60 than the X50 model, and that makes me really happy because I have reviewed a lot of robot vacuums over the past year or two. The nice part about it is Dreame has been super reliable for me and my family. I have multiple dogs, multiple kids. We run that thing multiple times a day, and no matter which vacuum I test out, Dreame has been a reliable brand I always go back to. And if any of my close and personal friends and family ask for recommendations, I always tell them go get the Dreame vacuum. So I can confidently say if you are in the market to buy a brand new premium robot vacuum, the X60 Max Ultra Complete is going to be a very solid purchase. And if you guys did want to check it out, I'll be sure to leave an affiliate link down in the description below, so if you were gonna buy it anyway and you do want to support my channel, that would be a great way to do it. I really appreciate it. And until I see you guys on next week's video, thanks for watching.